Hello, and welcome. Today's film is going to be about picking up middle schoolers' trash. As you can see, here we have stumbled across some cans on the ground, a fork, some Rice Krispie treats, very partially eaten. It's very wasteful, so we're gonna make a quick video about how to clean up after yourself. Okay, as you can see, we have now been outfitted with the proper personal protective equipment, and we are just ready to dive in. We're gonna get this whole area cleaned up, and it's gonna look great. Wow, look at all those Oreos.
Hey FALA, if you see that another one of your fellow students has left an item somewhere on campus, don't steal it. And don't just leave it there either. Take it to the lost and found bins located in the main building. They're right next to the water fountains in the bathroom. They're easy to spot and easy to access.
Hey FALA, thanks for coming on this journey with us. I hope you can see how all the hard work we've done has paid off.
As much as we love to help out our campus and pick up the trash that others have left, we kind of don't. It's wonderful if you pick up after yourselves and keep the beautiful space that we have clean.
I don't think that bottle was supposed to go in there.
Bridger! Bridger, put the...
Huh?